ishara hii kizuri DJ.
This is a turning point. Wale hawakuwa na imani ya kwamba inawezekana, mimi nawaambia wao Mukuru inawezekana, haiwezekani.
Takriban Wakenya 1080 kutoka Mukuru Estate hivi leo wamejipatia nyumba katika New Mukuru Estate.
Mungu ni wa ajabu. Today marks a turning point, not only for the residents of Mukuru Majenga, Warumen and Magoye, but also for all Kenyans who have been left behind for far too long. I have no doubt that many years from now, when we look back on this day and this project, it will stand out as a moment when lives were transformed, dignity restored, and hope renewed.